I'm very happy to be here in Quito. It's my first time in Southern America, and I think it's a really good starting point here at the UISEK for me to soak up the familiar life here, to get connected with all the different people. And I'm holding a speech about 3D printed architecture. I'm a classical architect trained, and then I started at the University of TU München my research and teaching career. And out of this I started as a research project on 3D printed multifunctional facade elements. And this is why I'm here, to present this to the students, to show them some new ways of architecture and the symbiosis of architecture and technology and new materials. I had the speech today already, and I started to tell something about Munich and about the university and the Bavarian lifestyle, and showing our research project and the result of a spin-off company founding called 3F Studio with my colleagues Oliver Tessin and Luc Moroni. We're starting this company to to design innovative 3D printed architecture and produce it as well. And so we're really looking forward to a new relationship here in Quito with the UNISEK to do some further research on 3D printed facades in different environments, in the Amazonian and here in Quito, and maybe on the Manta coast of Ecuador, and to do some further developments with workshops with students, and maybe tackling the earthquake topic here as well by testing those facades in combination with the universities and 3F Studio. I have a really good impression about Quito. It's a really lively town with different faces, different qualities, and I just saw a little bit of it, but it's really an amazing situation, and around the surroundings of Quito as well, from the volcanoes to the hot springs and to the Amazonian forest. So I'm having a really good time, and I can recommend this place of the earth to visit, and I'm really thankful to be here.